here and he's acting like he's not excited. Like, I'm trying to hold my excitementness. Samsung, show the people what it is. The Samsung S21 Ultra 5G. Kind of did wake him up for this, but you have to, like, you know, here. Oh my god, look at it. Oh, you can tell the excitement on his face. Look, like, oh my goodness, aren't you excited? Oh my god, y'all, look at the size. Like, literally, I don't know, but it's, oh, it's beautiful. Ooh, Verizon. This is probably gonna take a minute, so I'll be back. Oh my god. Here is the new iPhone 13 Pro Max. I got it in silver, 256 gigabyte. Okay. 13 Pro Max. And it just came in the mail today. It was supposed to come in on the 21st, but today's the 12th, and my husband got his phone yesterday. So I'm guessing, you know, we ordered at the same time and all that. So I'm guessing they just like, well, you know what, let's just go ahead and give her her phone too. So here is the 13 Pro Max. I am super excited to open up this phone because, y'all, I don't know, like, it took me a while to like have everything set up and everything, but I am super excited to get this phone. Just open up these tabs and then the phone will come out. Yeah, I'm probably gonna scream or something. I have no idea. I'm just super duper excited. It is pretty heavy. Oh my god. Y'all, this is beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. Here is the phone. Wow. So beautiful. I'm just like in shock right now. Oh my god. So as y'all might know, I have the 11 Pro Max in what do you call this, like space gray or something, and I love this phone. I'm actually recording on it right now. I feel like, you know, I'm gonna ditch my camera and probably just start using my phone because, you know, I got 2 phones now, so, and I love the quality of this phone, so I am keeping this phone. I didn't trade it in or anything. This phone is paid off. This phone that you are looking through, this phone is paid off, so I decided to just keep it and not even trade it in or whatever, because, like, what's the point? Okay, so everything else that comes in the box, a new cable, great. I already have the wall plug for it, and of course this stuff that really nobody cares about. Wow. Oh my god, look how beautiful. This screen is so pretty. Oh my god, I'm so in love. I just have this simple white case that I got from Five and Below. And we was getting these phones and I wanted to just go ahead and already have a case. So I just pick up this white one. It is going to get dirty really fast, but it's fine. I think I'm probably going to decorate this with some stickers or something. But and put it in. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. Oh, there we go. Wow, so pretty. It fits so perfect. I freaking love the silver color, the cameras. Ugh, I'm just so in love. Okay, voila. Oh my god, such a pretty welcome sign. Oh my gosh. So now it's time to set up the phone. Let's go ahead and do Face ID. Finally, welcome to iPhone. So I didn't transfer any of my apps and data or anything, so hopefully none of my photos are in here. Okay, great. Because I said don't transfer anything, so yeah. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. Stay tuned for my what's on my iPhone video once I customize this phone and everything. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.